DYOR Audit introduces the first of its kind DApp Builder Platform. Create, customize, and deploy your own pre-audited smart contracts and DApps. Select the DApp you want to build from one of many options provided. Right from an NFT Marketplace to lotteries and DEXs amongst many other decentralized apps. The DYOR Audit DApp Builder Platform allows you to drag and drop custom cards and widgets to your DApp with zero coding experience required. You control how your DApp looks. Add your logo, theme color of your choice, or just choose from a list of preset themes provided. Host your DApp from the DYOR platform and add your custom domain. Track and manage your DApp with relevant analytics. DYOR will also provide 24/7 customer support. You can easily access the platform by using our DYOR token to pay for the various packages that will be offered. More information available on our website, www.dyoraudit.com.